Beyond 2025. Improving on the innovations from 2004 to 2025. Apron restriction completely removed. Twice as fast. Increase bowl tilt by 20 degrees.
Weighted actuation. Wheel size methods. Dovetail guides for safety and fabrication accuracy. International standard compliant patent and engineering with 50 years of knowledge. Files available in packages. On farms, construction sites, turf areas, sports fields, irrigation farms, and concrete preparations.
Entry-level CNC cutting and fabrication